Hoffmann Group LogisticCity, Europe's most state-of-the-art tooling logistics in Nuremberg. Why precisely do you need an area equivalent to over 30 football fields? Installed power cables covering a distance from Hamburg to Venice. Conveying systems, which are as long as 800 articulated lorries back to back. Isn't that a mind-boggling amount of effort just to send a few tools? No, absolutely not. We do everything we can to ensure that you always receive your tool whenever and wherever you need it. It's that simple. To ensure that everything works as it should, we store up to 400 pallets of tools each day for you. In order to ensure that the goods are of perfect quality, we continuously carry out checks according to stringent guidelines. We store the products either directly in our shuttle warehouse or in our huge supply depot to ensure that we can consistently deliver the product you need 99% of the time. All you have to do is order. Fully automated processes speed up the ordering of your tools to lightning pace, always under the supervision of experienced colleagues who love it when everything comes together. We are happy to personally ensure top delivery quality. Supported by weight checking and goods to employees with sorted goods containers, we achieve a delivery accuracy of 99.9%. We are particularly proud of this, and if you want, we will customize your orders precisely according to your wishes, all from a single source. We assemble the ranges you want directly on site, or produce customized tool solutions for you. At the end of it all, we really deliver. Despite all the cutting-edge technology we have, there's still one thing we always bear in mind: our future. To ensure increased sustainability, we use recycled paper as a filling material, and we strive towards ensuring CO2 neutral shipping. Up to 40,000 packages can leave LogisticCity on a single day. For global shipping, this has to go to the customer. Safe journey. We do all of this to ensure that everything runs smoothly in procurement, as we make a big thing of delivery capability. And that is why we build the way we do. The heart of tooling logistics is in Nuremberg.